Hi there, welcome to elementory.in. Today we are going to do a fun project using the Base Toolkit. Cranes are machines which can lift objects using ropes or chains. They can also move them left and right. They are used during construction of buildings, especially the really tall buildings. Cranes often use engines, motors and hydraulic systems to move heavy objects. But we have a servo unit which can do the same thing. Let's make a simple link using the power unit, the button unit, control unit and the servo unit. Remember, when we use a servo unit, it is always better to use a USB power supply rather than the battery. By setting the control unit in toggle mode, the servo unit in the hold mode, and then pressing the button, we can control the position of the servo unit using a screwdriver. So let's make a simple crane which can lift an object. Servos are so cool, aren't they? By using two servos at the same time, we can lift an object and also move it left and right.